what she's amazing.
Hi, my name is Giselle Garcia. I'm from Alaska, but now I live in Yellowstone. I live in Yellowstone for its geysers, particularly on Facebook. So today we're going to do some mini experiments about geysers. So we're going to kind of make a little geyser. Do any of you know what a geyser is? Yes? A geyser is sort of like a volcano, and it erupts with the hot water. Nice. Now how about you? Geysers are holes in the ground and it erupts water. Well, do you know how it erupts water? So, some geysers are kind of like a mountain, like a volcano. Some of them are a bit like a little hill. Some of them are flat. There's a little hole in the ground, and under there's a stream of magma. Then, do you know what magma is? Magma is like lava. In the middle of the earth. Yeah. So then, you have, let's say it rains. The water all falls on the ground. Then it sinks in the ground and touches the boiling hot rock. Then it starts boiling and getting hotter and hotter and hotter until it explodes out of the little hole, and that forms a geyser. So it's pretty much what we're going to do here. So we're going to put the Mentos. So first of all, we need to go outside because, wait, all of you? So we're going to, each of you is going to have your very own form. Then when you go to the other side, let's say, excuse me. Yes. Well, how's it gonna like erupt actually? So inside of a Coke bottle, there is a gas called carbon dioxide. With the Mentos, there's gonna be small little bubbles forming inside. Then it's gonna build up pressure, and then it's gonna force the liquid out of the cap. So it's gonna like fountain up, like explode up. So is the cap gonna fly off? No, the cap will already be off. So we're gonna use this tool. So what we're gonna need, well, each of you are gonna choose a different warmth. So I'm gonna choose room temperature. I'm gonna have a third experiment. So one of you is gonna have freezing cold. One of you is gonna have cold. One of you is gonna have hot. And one of you is gonna have boiling hot. I'll have boiling. I'll have coldest. I'll have hot. So what we're gonna use is the Coke of warmthness as your choice and a roll of Mentos. But first of all, before we start anything, first thing we're gonna do is each of you are gonna have shirts that you won't need because you're gonna get very messy. Check below. Oh, I remember these shirts, Jack. From here. Your thing, I still have one. Here. Now turn it around to the front. Okay, the conclusion should be away. Now you see experiment, geyser experiment. You see the geyser experiment right in here? Then you're going to write your name at the top, and you're going to write a hypothesis. So a hypothesis is a guess. It doesn't always have to be right. It's just a guess that you think that'll happen. So first, you're going to write your hypothesis over here. So you got the hottest and you got the coldest. So you'll write about what you guys got the cold and hot. So you guys are going to write about what you think is going to happen. Now I am going to, in front of your eyes, explode this bottle of Coke. So everyone back and okay, while I set this up. Take cover. Is it room temperature, correct? Yeah. This is not done. It Guys, it's okay. Come close, please. It's not gonna kill you. But then it looks so. Or yes. On your mark. Jack. Get set. Go. Really? On my gym shorts. Oh, my temperature is freezing.
Thank you.
Hold. Whoa. Don't worry.
Oh my gosh! Oh. What is this one?
This one is boiling hot. Melted the bowl.
And what?
It sort of melted the bottle.
Yeah, the bottle melts because of the boiling water. What do you guys think is gonna happen?
It's gonna explode like crazy.
Let's see.
Yeah. I don't want to do it.
Hold it, Jack. You have to hold it tight, please. Oh my gosh!
I was right.
Why were you right?
Because I said the hypothesis was gonna go the hottest, the higher,
Mm-hmm.
and it was that. So I was right on the hypothesis.
Excellent.
Wow, I was right. The hottest with the highest. Well, I kind of got a cheat because I am a scientist.
Well, I'm sorry, but I have to go. Bye. Thank you for coming back again. Yeah.
Bye.
Let's make watching